Sema jabu. Yes. Ndio. Reuri. A few years ago, Arimu mehono horo dio neki utata abire we gore wafatie.
Uhoro uriku?
Asukuru weto orere. Lel Mogwo Secondary School.
Lel
Mogwo.
That sounds like Rift Valley.
Lel Doreti.
Etoro ni rasa odigitaro keu.
Kwani mo magire gasira no nyende muno kumenya ciro cio wacokio kirekirira atia. Yes.
Uriku?
Arimu aya taturi. Mainta dikrio ni TSC.
Makirugamio wira.
Ni undu wa kindu gitagwo misconduct. Gross misconduct.
Amathire wira mari arefi.
Ngwiciria no ni maugite ti urefi. Ngwiciria no ni makire thandu makauga Buda
amechoka.
Buda amebebeshwa mzigo, amefanya nini?
Amechoka.
Yes. Hapana nilito that thing is now cropping up again. Maigire to office ya head.
Ogani ya secondary ka ne primary.
Lel Mogwo Secondary.
Secondary.
Mari atatu. Ngwiciria ni maigua oyi etoria shamba wanyama leugaga wanyama wote ni sawa, lakini kuna wanyama ambao ni
sawa
kuliko wengine. Yes. Yado lema ithomire that serialization of George Orwell's novel. Yes. Makigira wabici ya head. Makiria marigo maria mothe meru. Ajere kuringana na marua maria mandikirwo ri ni kuriania.
Makiriania meru office ya mwalimu munene.
Yes. Na torone to anga ri ndeiwa matiatanukaga.
Ri ata kapsu.
Kaharuka wa unwe gatingi guita. Twathia mucibita sausage cikirutwo bagiti. Maisha ko kwa hedire. Magia mundu uyu ri. Ndaikone uri ikara na odo fridge to era fridge wa vici. Ihurite iria.
Ni agikaraga wega hendi wao.
Yeah. Makirenya. Basa uria wagiragia maingire tondu hendi ngatara ndari kuo ri. Makimutheta ni na kara kega.
Mwira tukunyitithania na ruthingo we.
Ura ugako ngatheti ni rucio. Uguo re ukithia. Nito uguota.
Basa ri batigeiro wabici hendi atari kuo.
Na arimu acio ri. Kwerekana ele meicho ka thukuru. And their basa was wastani wa kimo. Ni kimo cha wastani kana wastani wa kimo.
Ni kimo cha wastani.
He had a slight frame. Yes. So they bullied him and threatened him with the physical
assault.
A thorough beating, which he decided to give leeway for them to get to the office. Yes. Makenywa mondo bagita inya cia iria. Na no igwa mamaratia wangae.
Police pata marehite.
As if that was not enough, nilikuwa na msemani wa board magithie riko ria thukuru o tactic ile mekuthirite ya ogun kwa basari
magithi nayo riko.
Yes. Makirarugia icio twauga atiriri narua nayo Tukire kukuita simare sirio ya topodi narua. Yetsa. Kiranyama. Dogati na giego kuyorehe ngima.
Ugueri.
Nerorie maguru ki?
Iguru.
He. Ona gitonga ari yago kuengime roreti. Kimundu gitungu. Kina gukomera kia roreti maguru ki?
Maguru iguru.
Yes. Twari one ko iruga ugu.
And akoragwo iri illustration.
Yes. Of opulence. And wealth. Yes. Maekira riu arugia
thukuru.
Nayo.
Nyameo murauga ni ya budi. Letter.
Yes. Sema niucio. Deko norio ni dusitu. Yes.
Ona ithuĩ twĩ ciana cia atumia.
Bodi yo yagathie kuria gĩtheri.
Na matita turi ha.
Githu thie ciana cia nyau. Leta. No tiragi gacubari tukiri oguo kana tumu kana na muoko oguo muno ke mwana ke turamutherukania na ki
na githeri
turamutherukania na beti. The Chiefs had no time to look for Arsenal. Yeah, will counter the goon.
They gave in.
And served them the food for the visitor. Yes. Na ona kiria kia tumia muno TSC ma interdictory. Ni maendo ma investigate gija mental health. Tondu appetite yo ri.
Na gweka thukuru no ikimarekereirie ng'aragu.
Tondu aiwa maria tatu marire nguku inya.
No akiona acio ni andu mari ahutu.
Yes. Makiuga ngima yeherio piu.
Toa hizi mauga.
Toa mauga na mafoga. Principal wa wapi? Hata yeye akuje. Aturabo guthaio. No ari mwa handu maigira kwa basa mamwitia kiria nake igaku muthemba wa bia ni mari wa ngae.
Ni kwa assess situation.
Yes.
Tondu situation ya irio no hinyo gitwarwo borithi.
Yes.
No igukinya bia ri.
Bia riu ni ukundekwo.
Riu ni gutuika a criminal case.
So the Riot Act started in the principal's office. After they took dessert, imagine. Honorable no eka yana melon. Imagine na dessert.
Mabirie na itunda.
Tharadi.
Makigutha mwitha wega.
Proper. Makihinga lactose. Macoka makiaruka riko magitia kindu gitagwo proteinous amino acid.
Acio ni Arimu.
Yes. Wizia ni home science ni maenda balanced
diet.
Yes. Ona maji na tutunda. Yes.
Macoka maringa lactose.
Iyo.
Ati handu menda carbohydrate.
Tondu carbohydrates ni ma complain ni ma overfeed tuo. Maugi athiriri maigira riko. Twaiga tuhe nguku tirio cia nguku.
Nguku yo nyene.
Tumenyete kuria kiria nguku iriaga. Lehe nguku yo ki. Ndongerera thubu. Kana ngutukania na tiri we.
Kagwagira riko.
Turamukimania na ngima. Atomukumbe.
Kuri waganira kereiya rutani ng'aragu.
Ele mokwo back then. It's a while ago. Adi no nyenda kumenya ulo jua sokire tukuria mwandiki witu wa Eldoret.
Sira wacokire guthia atia.
Yes. So me wikire the maugia. You see Pascal tulivikiria. This project ya wanafunzi ya CPC. Tulifikiria ni CPC. Tukasema because sasa the assessment is over. Tukule specimen. Tukolea kuliko specimen ipote. Tukule. Tunakulanga hata viazi ya wanafunzi.
Lakini inasemekana you even threatened the school bazaar.
You see, as an examining body, we would not have accepted intimidation from people like that. Vizuri sana. The chicken was for the visitors. Which was a big irony. Because truly speaking, I'm making a lot of sense. You cannot serve visitors what you cannot sustain for yourself. Please, Mr. Cha, you will need to accept that you have to pass to bull sample what you are going to give your pastors. So I think, and here we are begging for forgiveness. I think we oversampled. We were not aware that what we ate was all there was. We thought that was now po ile kuangalia chumbi. Kumbe tuliangalia yote. No. Now, Mutusame, because that was, I think, an oversight. It was an oversight on our side. Basically, we thought there were many chicken, only to realize there were only one. So, Mr. Correlia ate one. I asked him, boy, ate one and a half. And Mr. Mayo here, because he does not have a large appetite, he ate a half and a quarter. And then Gorilla is the one who actually bears the greatest responsibility, because he also ate all the gizzards. So I think let us look at it as an oversight, because we thought we were sampling.
But why did you force your way into the kitchen?
You see, they say knock and the door shall be open. When it does not yet open, you have to push. Because even we teach our students to push themselves to the limit. So we have to lead by example. We have to lead by example. You see, in everything in life, when we teach the students that there's always a resistance. So when the resistance came, we had to do an uprising. So there were other foods in the kitchen. Why did you not eat the githeri? You see what happens? We always encourage our students to score straight A's and not compromise.
So you went for the A's.
We went, it is, let's go back to where I started, leading by example. You show them that they cannot settle for less. They settle for cream, till a cream. Cream till a cream. There's no way you could eat githeri and there's chicken. That's actually like showing God's stomach. So we have been doing a lot here as the Lelmogo, into Lelmogo. I hope they take them back to work. Ona muishiwa irio cia mugundari. Ndahurago.
Acha.
Toni ngara.
Ngaragu.
Era onda kaya atia.
Ndagacokere. Ningi utie mundu uriage muhunu. Mundu aria ni kuhuta.
Actually, to labor in Gachigoni, let me speak for my part, because Game Boy has spoken. Game Boy will also have his day of speaking. Let me speak for my part. Initially, wakati tuliingia jikoni, tulikuwa tumeenda tu kusalimia. But the scent of the chicken was too welcoming. You know? And we first approached diplomatically. Tukauliza tunaweza sabiwa kuku. Then we were met with resistance. I'm a history teacher. I know we have independence because of resistance.
Agetiwa kama mau.
So I became Kinchekiti Lengwale and Luanda Magere. We'll follow up on that. See how that went.